Hi, parents and educators. This is Rookies Arena, a division of Rookies Certified Montessori Center where learning starts at birth. So, what do we have for you guys today? We have this exciting 3-in-1 combo that parents like you and educators have had success with. In fact, all our products have been very successful with parents, and let me introduce you to the 3-in-1 combo that we have for you today. The first is what we call the cognitive word. How does it work? This comes with tiles, chips, we call them chips like this, chips, alphabet chips from A to Z, and the child will have to match them with, first, the child will match them with the alphabet. You don't call it J, you call them by their sound, because our objective at this stage is for them to read. So the J is going to match it first with identifying the alphabet, J, and match it with the card here, J. Then when the child has mastered that, the next stage is for you to now get the object, which is at the back. The object, this is a jar. So you're going to say jar. Find me the jar object, and the child picks it and matches it. We have cards and chips, A to Z. Cards to A to Z with the objects on them for the child to match with the sound and with recognition of the alphabet by the sound jar, A to Z. So that is it here. The first one, the cognitive word of the combo. Then the next one now is if the child can now sound A to Z reasonably well, you can still introduce this if the child sounds most of it, but if they can sound well, the next stage is now we're teaching them how to build words, spelling, and this comes with that. There's a material that is good for that, and we call it the spelling game. So how does this work? It comes in cards. We have in cards over 20 of this in this pack. And the child, like this, spells, it comes with a picture to direct the child of what they're going to spell. So the child says bag. And there's a right up here, bag. The child is not just going to pick bag. No. The child is going to sound it and pick it as the sound. So the child will go B. You point B. What's B? Let's find B. The child finds B. B. Well, it's not B. And put it here and say B. The child goes, finds A. And put it here. Not A. Put it here. Then you say G. The child goes back and finds G. And put it here. So at the end, you now have the child spell it out or sound it out. Bag, bag. So this is the second combo, and that's what it does. Starts to build the child up with spelling. So the third part of the combo is mathematics, and it's called, I love mathematics. And this too is good. For all this are actually, this and this, they're good for ages 0 to 2, because you can start this from a child from age 0 to age 2. Learning starts at birth. This is a good way of introducing the sounds and hands-on materials for the child. Then now comes the mathematics. I love mathematics. How does it work? So this comes with flashcards from 1 to 10, like this, 1 to 10. It comes with flashcards like this, 1 to 10. For the child of 0 to 2, we only introduce the flashcards to them, the from 1 to 10. And it comes this way. 1. Where is number 1? You show the child 1. Pick 1. The 1 and 2 tiles, they're all over the place. 1, 2, they're on the table. So the child picks 1 and places it on 1. Same goes with 2. Counts and places it on the 2. So you do that. So when the child is fairly knowledgeable, has mastered counting 1 to 10 and and recognizing 1 to 10. Then you go to the next stage with A's. The same, I love mathematics comes with simple additions and simple subtractions. So now you introduce this part to the child from ages 2 to 3. So this 2 plus 7 is 9. You have your number 9 and you put it here. Well, you put it there so the child learns to put it there herself when she's playing with it, as you've shown her. Then the simple subtraction, 6 minus 4, which is 2. There's a 2 here. The child puts the 2 here by herself, as you've taught her, and she'll play with it when she's alone by herself. Then it comes with a pen to reinforce the writing skills and to build up the writing skills, to reinforce it and make it stronger. So 2 plus 7, 9. The child writes a 9 here. She can wipe it off clean and write it all over again. It's reusable and reusable and reusable. Especially for those of you that have schools, it can always be wiped and other children use it. For home, it can always be wiped and the child will reinforce and use it again when she needs to play. So parents and educators, these are the 3 combos we have for you today. This cognitive word, 0, from 0 to 6, but you can, it depends on the child's developmental stage, or you can start introducing it as soon as the child is born. This one you have to wait a bit till the child can read, can sound well, and is ready to start building words to spell. Then we have the I Love Mathematics, which has the flashcards for the 0 to 2, the part 1, then the part 2. Is this for the older part? As they get older, you introduce this for the child from ages 2 and above. So what you can do for me, parents, to get this for the child, to get all this for the child, please just click on the shop now, and you can read up on all the other combos we have, and you can watch up on all the videos. This one is there too, and just click right now. Click. Thank you.